Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chinchin, which is a crunchy munchy you will surely enjoy. So now let's get down to it. In a smaller bowl, we mix the sugar, the baking powder which is optional, the vanilla milk, and some eggs. Mix this until it's well combined. In a larger bowl, we'll combine the flour, the ground nutmeg, the margarine or butter, and mix thoroughly with clean hands or spatula until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now we'll go ahead and add the liquid mixture into the bowl and mix well until we get a smooth but stiff dough, meaning that the dough should have no lumps in it. We'll place the dough on a flat surface and knead for about 1 minute. You can add a little bit of flour if your dough is sticky. With the help of a rolling pin, we'll roll the dough as flat as we can and cut into the shape of choice. For today, we're going for the classic cube shape and also the thin type. While cutting the chinchin, be aware that the dough doubles in size when placed in hot oil, so be careful not to cut it too large. Once we're done with the dough, we heat up the oil until it's really hot, then we'll fry the chinchin. But before that, I like to do a heat test with a skewer. If bubbles start to form at the bottom, then I know the oil is ready for use. But alternatively, you can also test the oil with a piece of the chinchin dough. If it floats to the top after a few seconds, then the oil is also ready for frying. So now let's do this. Even though you might be tempted to fry the chinchin all at once, make sure to fry in batches so that the chinchin doesn't look limp and soft after frying, and also stir constantly as you fry. If your chinchin doesn't look so hard or crunchy once it's out of the oil, don't worry, it will harden and become crunchier as it cools. And one last thing, after frying a few batches, please make sure to change the frying oil so that the chinchin doesn't taste burnt. This will help your chinchin taste better. Once you're done frying the chinchin, you can transfer the fried chinchin onto a flat pan or tray and leave to cool completely. Then store in an airtight container and enjoy as you please. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button below. Subscribe and share with a friend. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.